Hey there pioneers, here's how to get the Strike Armor Tadpole upgrade in Subnautica 2. Before heading out, make sure you already have the heat tolerance adaptation and a tadpole. It's also recommended to swim close to the surface during the journey to avoid any dangerous encounters with the Collector Leviathan. Start from your life pod and swim straight east until you reach the alien ruins, which are about 1,040 meters away, beyond the high temperature area and the Collector Leviathan's trench. Once you arrive at the front of the alien tower, face 120 degrees on your compass and continue swimming straight. When you reach the edge of the alien ruins island, look down and you'll spot a few man-made platforms below. Swim down to them and you'll find a blinking data card containing the Strike Armor blueprint. Simply interact with it to download the recipe. After that, return to your base and craft the Strike Armor upgrade at a modification station using 2 enameled glass and 2 strontium. Once it's crafted, install it in the Tadpole's upgrade compartment located behind the power cell slot. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.